What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here again. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Red Dead Redemption Netflix Mobile on any unsupported Android phone. Like if you are using a low-end Snapdragon device, or an Exynos, MediaTek Dimensity, or Google Tensor device with Mali GPU devices out there. And if I open the Play Store, here it shows, this device isn't supported. Still, this device has the potential to hold this game, but still not compatible. But don't worry. I'll show you the easy method to fix it and get the game running on any phone. And the phone right now here is the Galaxy M35, which is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor with the Mali G68 5-core GPU, which is quite powerful and equivalent to the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 performance. And this phone comes with only 6 gigs of RAM and UFS storage. Anyway, I'll close everything and let's get started. And for this, you need to install the Z Archiver app. And this is the game file package which will bypass the compatibility issues and work on any phone. Do check it out. I provided the link in the description or in the pinned comment. And this is actually the bundle package which can only be installed using this Z Archiver app. And wait for it. Here, install the game package. Alright, it's done. Now I'll close everything. Alright, now let's open the game. Here you need to wait for a few seconds. And alright, it's loaded. And finally, we got it loaded on this unsupported device. And also, a lot of you have asked me how to enable the FPS meter on Samsung. It's simple. Just go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information, and tap on Build Number multiple times to enable the developer mode. Now go to Developer Mode. And search for GPU Watch, and enable it. That's it. Now let's load the game. And still, we have some glitches here in NPCs. The environment is pretty fine, the details and everything. Still, we are getting a proper stable 30 FPS on this Exynos 1380 device, which is really impressive. I'll soon also do tests on other devices, even on low-end Androids. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from my side.
You need to concern yourself with.
Never you mind all my questions, Mr. Marston. I just reckon you might be barking out a knot heading for the court.
We'll see when we get there.
Slow down, Mr. Marston.
Anyway, if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.